Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry that I've been away. I haven't uploaded any videos in the past couple of weeks. I've been really busy, company and working really hard, and just staying really busy. So nonetheless, I'm back. Okay guys, I'm actually doing a close-up. I have some colored contacts in. I normally don't wear contacts, but I just wanted to try these contacts for this look. So if you like this look, just keep watching. Here I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Bar in white chocolate on my inner 2/3 eyelids. I don't need much color there. I'm using Slate by Lorac Pro Palette, and I'm using this to form a wing. And this color is not black, but it's a really smoky gray color. And then I'm going to use Lorac Pro Sable to blend that out in my outer 1/3 of my eyelid and blending it up into the crease. Next, I'm using Lorac Pro Black, and I'm using this in my outer V area to help darken that intensity of the Sable. So I'm blending all of these colors in, and I'm blending it a little bit up into my crease area. Actually, to deepen the cat eye look, then I will be smudging that out also on top of the slate and bringing it a little closer to the inner third portion of my eyelid. As you can see, I was a little sloppily doing this, and I meant to do that because now I'm cleaning that area up with a makeup wipe. Next, I'm adding the white chocolate to under my eyebrow as a brow bone highlighter. Next, I'm using NYX-Matte liquid eyeliner, and I'm creating a wing. See, I'm going to apply my eyebrows and eyelashes off camera. Now I'm going to be moisturizing my face and priming my face. I'm using MAC Moisture Cream and Smashbox-Primer water. Now I'm trying Make-Up-Forever HD in the number 173. I think it's a little bit too light for me, so I might go back and get a darker color and may mix these two in the future. But I'm applying this all over my face. Now I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW40. I'll be using that under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I will be blending that in with my Beauty Blender, dampened with Fix Plus. I'm using Nars-Translucent Crystal to set the highlighted areas. Then I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit to contour my cheeks. And now I'm setting everything with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark all over my face. I'm using that black eye kohl pencil in my bottom, and I'm going to smudge that out, and then I'm going to add the slate from the Lorac Pro palette and also smudge that out to give it a more smoky look. Now I'm using the NYX lip liner in Espresso. So I want to thank all of you for watching my video, and if you like what I've done, then please like and subscribe. Bye.